Today we'll be looking at the Disney 100 Lego train set. Here are the instruction booklets. Each train set has your own booklet. Here is the train completed. Here are what each of the trains look like: Mickey, Peter Pan, Toy Story, Moana, and Minnie Mouse. Here are the minifigures and their accessories. Here's Mickey Mouse with a red balloon. Minnie Mouse with a yellow balloon, yellow bow, and a red dress. Here's Peter Pan. I already have that sword. He didn't come with it. Here's Tinkerbell with a purple balloon and her fairy wings. Here's Moana with her oar. And here's Woody with his guitar. This is the stand that Minnie Mouse comes with, and it comes with a birthday cake and a cupcake. Here's the train, and it rolls on the ground pretty good. Overall, this set is really cute. I would get it if you're a big Disney fan. Thanks for watching. Bye.